Friends, it is a new year where I'm at video, and I've done a lot, many accomplishments. I lost so much weight, like I think it was about close to 60 pounds about 7 years ago, and maintained that weight loss. And you know how we all like put all the weight in our belly. So that was the first. The second is I started to reverse the aging process. Now, mind you, I am a retired school teacher and currently just waitress. So trust me, I am not a person that has a lot of money nor influence. I just like to study and learn. But I want you, friend, I want you to watch my videos. And then my son moved in. We all know that experience. If you're my age group, Generation X, you know, kid moves back home, they bring their pets, the pets don't get along. How do you deal with that? And I'm gonna make some upcoming videos about like boundaries for adult children. Not so much the pets, but just the children. But anyhow, so I have a new sassy cat. Boom. His name is Mr. Santino. He is, he's sassy as sassy can be. But he has lost a bunch of weight. He's getting along with the other kitties right now. So that's my update. Retired from teaching, currently working as a cocktail waitress, making way more money than as a teacher. Loving life. It's all been good. So it's all been super exciting. So we're gonna get back to why you're watching this video, because it's the new year and you want to change yourself. And I am going to tell you that keep watching my videos, will help you, because we can lose weight. We can age in reverse. We can have better lives. And there are three magical steps how we can do it. So keep watching this video. Hit love, subscribe. I love you, friends. So what are these 3 steps? So the last step is something I'm just like working on kind of right this moment and studying. So we're gonna say that to the end. So you need to watch all the way to the end of the video till you find. Number 1, of course, is what we eat. Number 1's what we eat. Now, I am not saying, friends, I am truly not saying that food corporations are run by reptiles from other aliens, reptilian aliens, and they're trying to destroy humanity. I would never say that. I would never in a million years say that that actually is happening. The standard American diet is addictive. It's full of dopamine. It's like they've studied our brains. These reptiles have studied our brains, and they've realized what we're addicted to, like, you know, sugar and fats, and they've kind of changed the way we eat. But on the other hand, the whole American standard diet is going to kill you, and it is poisonous. Okay, so we know like it A will kill you and B it's poison. But yet it seems to be like nobody, it's like an elephant in the room, like nobody actually talks about that. So like I try to keep it simple, but it seems like then they create a diet system that's just kind of just as poisonous, or they want to make your stomach the size of a walnut or give you shots in your stomach with Ozempic. I don't really understand. Eat whole natural foods. It's not a whole foods diet. I don't really like that book particularly. It's just like I eat foods, and not religiously, but for the most part, I just eat something that I could still grow in nature. And I am creating a new website. It's called Casey Ann Reynolds. I had an old one, Casey's Keto. I'm gonna blend the old one into the new one. It's very simple. Like, you have chicken. I do believe in organic chicken. That's something you would eat in the past. And so I could put lemon, sun-dried tomatoes, artichokes, cream, Parmesan cheese. Cheese is always fine. And couscous, you know, there's things I could put that only have 3 ingredients. Spinach. So can I get addicted to my diet? No. It does seem like there's this whole food addiction thing going on where they've kind of created a system where you're addicted to their food. And the food is basically killing you. So just basically going back to a diet and only eat 2.5 meals a day, which is all human beings were meant to eat. 2.5 meals of healthy, nourishing food. And I just create the recipes. So that's number 1. Okay, number 2. It's just physical activity. So I did switch career. Why I quit teaching, because many people have done that. Too many people. But I think also, like, if you're midlife, because like I said, I'm gonna be 60, I've already retired from one job. It's kind of like that hunched over desk. You're just like all hunched all day long, and it's so much mental stress and not enough just like physical moving around. I actually love just being active. Yes, I work till 3 a.m. in the morning. It's fun. I really, really enjoy it. It's physically active. I love it. I know that's not for everybody, but here's the deal, like being physically active. Yeah, I get 20,000 steps, so like aim for 10,000 steps. 10,000 steps a day. Now, you also need to train your major muscle groups 5 days a week. So here's the trick. And of course, like this is a big, broad video. This is like a New Year's video. Like, hello, I'm getting back into YouTube, New Year's video. But 5 days a week, the closest gym to your house. That's the one thing I've totally and completely would acknowledge, is that it must be close to your house. Close to your house is so important. So picking a gym close to your house and working those major muscle groups, you're gonna have to follow me, AnnReynolds.com. Follow me. And what is the third thing that I've just discovered? It's like the Da Vinci Code. Oh my God. It's just like changed my life. It's like, I didn't realize I was doing it all along. Number 3 is manifestation. And now we have a lot of videos about manifesting this, that, and the other thing. And I didn't actually realize I was actually doing manifestation. But like if you watch an amazing athlete, you watch somebody do something absolutely amazing, you watch a skyscraper go up, you watch things even manifest good health, right? Manifest being thinner. That's what I was actually doing when I manifested it 7 years ago. I didn't realize, it's like I had this picture in my brain. I am actually going to do a bikini competition. I'm going to do a, scary for me, yes, terrified actually. I'm gonna do that in July 6th. I'm manifesting it already. I'm manifesting that. So you need to picture in your mind what you want to look like. And then in a notebook, just 3 things, friends, 3 things every day that you are doing to work towards that goal. So say like, hey, I had a big salad for lunch, or I woke up in the morning and got some sunlight, or I had a really good night's sleep, or I didn't engage in negative emotions with a coworker. All that was working towards your goal. Yes, that's what we're doing. But yeah, I love you, friends. I want you to watch my next video. It's really gonna give you, like, you know, I'm the keto girl, and I'm gonna make a video series about how to use keto to jumpstart your weight loss. But really and truly, I do more of a Mediterranean diet at this moment because I am Mediterranean, and it really, really works and it's scientifically proven. So watch that next video. I love you, and I'll see you again soon.